Replacing a vintage mobile or vintage Encore medication cart top. A help video to support your CAPSA product. Tools needed: Phillips screwdriver or cordless drill with a Phillips bit. If your cart has a keypad, see CAPSA's separate directions to remove electrical connections. Remove all drawers, starting from the top. Pull to where the drawer stops. Push down on the right drawer slide release, and simultaneously push up on the left drawer slide release. Repeat to remove all drawers. Push all drawer slides back into the cart. If your cart has a writing surface, pull the tray out to its stopping point. Remove the screws, including corners and middle. Discard the screws. Lift the cart top straight off. If you have a wide cart, you may want a helper. To install the new vintage top, use the included new screws. The new top should have pre-drilled holes. Orient the new top correctly to match up the screw holes in the new top with the cart's metal top. Carefully lay the new top down. Install the screws only until snug. Important: do not over-tighten the screws. If using a cordless drill, set it to low torque. Return all drawers, starting from the bottom. With each new drawer slide in, slide the ball bearing mechanism to the front of the drawer slide. Please contact CAPSA Healthcare should you have any questions or require any assistance.